What's up, Big Win sports fans? I'm your commentator, Anthony Davis. And I'm Bumblebee Jr. We got a baseball game going on, so we're going to go down the baseball field right now. Here we go. It will be the DC Fighters taking on the New York Birds. So for the hill, they have Tyler O'Ryan. The catcher is Steven Ryan. The pitcher is Mark. Chris Armstrong for third base. Rodrigo Batista for shortstop, Ryan Murray for second base, and Bill Cunningham for first base. The left fielder is Michael Young, and for center fielder is Sean Nelson, and for the right fielder is Johnny. So for the hitter for the Birds is Charles, the catcher is Alan Taylor. Pitcher is Alberto Dels, Jason Morris for first base, Ethan for second, Joshua for second base, Sammy Pauls for third, Jose Cruz for left fielder, Oscar Acosta for center field, and Peter Jackson. Let's get the game started. Here we go. DC Fighters will hit first. Here we go. See how they do. Already off to a bad start. There we go. It's one of those things that happens at night. At 8 o'clock. There we go. What a hit by Michael.
Safe!
And he's safe. He is safe. You want to get young out. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Mark. Acosta is a here goes Jackson.
Ball floor.
Here we go. Oh. Double play. And two of them are out. Here we go. Second inning now. Batista. That was a high hit, but did not go far enough. Here we go. This is how you know that he wants to play now. He wants to play now. Here we go. Okay, I meant to say that it was Bell, like, not Bumblebee. But this is not Bumblebee that's commenting on your face. This is Bell. You got the names a little bit confused. Because they both have the same first name as BRB. Here we go, Morris. And Morris is out. Here we go, third inning now. Murray is out. There goes Johnny. You do from Johnny, yes, Papa, and Cunningham is out. Here we go, Pauls is out. Ooh, that was a good hit by him. But caught out by Michael Young. And Acosta is also caught out. In the fourth inning, no one has not scored yet. Oh, goodness, Young. You still have to run fast. They do have to run fast. If that makes sense. And Batista makes it. Number 26 didn't throw to him in time. There we go. Mark getting Jackson out is Batista. There we go. Oh, out. There we go, Cruz. Oh my goodness. The fifth inning now. And Wyatt taking a base. There's Nelson. Murray. What a hit by Murray. He's throwing it all the way far down. He doesn't even have any special weapons to use. Oh my goodness, he messed it up. And the DC Fighters got their first point. Unreal. Here we go, Michael Young. Michael Young strikes out. Here we go. Roberts is out. Here we go. Taylor. Oh my goodness. Here we go. And Morris is out. Here we go. The 6th inning now. Here we go. Armstrong. And Armstrong is out. Go Batista. Also out. And Orion. Everyone's getting caught out by those New York Birds. Yeah, they are getting caught out by those New York Birds. Every single person's getting caught out by those birds. There we go. One bird is taking us a base. It's still currently 1-0. The DC Fighters up by 1 point. And Jackson is out. Here we go. Wyatt up next. Okay. Here we go. Nelson up to bat. Ooh, and DC Nelson with a home run. And now the DC Fighters are up by 3 points. And the New York Birds still have not gotten on the board yet. Murray strikes out. And then Johnny will be the next one. Here we go. Cunningham. And out. Here we go. And he's out. Here goes 81 is Cruz. Cruz is out. Here we go. Roberts. Everyone is striking out today. Here we go. Young. And Young misses it. Here goes Armstrong. And Armstrong also misses it. Oh, what a hit by Batista. Wow. I don't know if he makes it. He ran fast. And Ryan messed it up. Here we go. Bottom of the 8th. Taylor hitting a ball. Here we go. Morris. What a hit by Morris. But Morris is out. Man, the DC Fighters came all the way to New York to destroy the Birds, and they are doing that. Oh my goodness. Because they came off with an incredible win against the Birds and now destroying the Birds. They are. I didn't know that the DC Fighters look unstoppable. Here goes Nelson. Here we go. And that's for nothing. Wyatt just touched the play. Here we go. Murray. He decided to go after Nelson, but now Murray. Oh, and Murray is out. Here we go, Johnny. And now Cunningham up to bat. Oh my goodness. Cunningham is still safe. They still have 2 out. Oh, here we go, Young. Ooh, what a throw. But Young is safe. And Armstrong is out. The Birds need to do something. They also go 0-2. Ooh, what a hit. And caught out by Johnny. And Acosta trying to take a base for Acosta. Here we go, here we go, here we go. We got one more. Oh, and Jackson. Oh, they only need one more. That's it. That is the game because the DC Fighters had defeated the New York Birds 6-0. In the 5th inning, DC scored 1 point, and then the 7th they scored 2, and then the 9th inning they scored 3. So White got 2 runs, Cunningham and Murray got 1, Nelson got 2, which was a home run. As the New York Birds go 0-2, and the DC Fighters go 2-0.